LibertyX raises 10 million. LibertyX is planning big things, and they have started to roll out their plan to build a large crypto exchange. LibertyX has now raised initial $10 million in investment for their exchange, and they are also planning to invest a huge amount of more than $100 million in their exchange. But this time, it isn't just a crypto exchange just like any other exchange. They are planning to make it a hybrid exchange, meaning they are combining the crypto assets and all traditional assets into a single place that can be traded. Honestly, if you're looking for a counter solution, LibertyX is perfect. You know what? Recently, LibertyX has raised 10 million, and you must be curious to know more about it, right? Then keep watching. Don't skip the video, or else you will miss out on important information. Hey, and welcome to Altcoin Capital. Today, we are going to talk about why a newer startup exchange called LibertyX has raised $10 million in investment, and they are planning a follow-up investment of $100 million. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Now, let's jump right into it. New cryptocurrency exchange LibertyX is seeking $10 million in Series A investment, with a $100 million follow-up anticipated to follow, potentially via a token sale, according to individuals familiar with the subject. According to the sources, LibertyX has just begun providing over-the-counter crypto trading, led by James Rowe, CEO of Houston-based boutique investment bank Altcoin Capital. Regulators in countries like Switzerland and the United Arab Emirates review the exchange's application. Liberty expects to provide 40 spot trading products and up to 20 additional trading pairs every month at the launch. Futures contracts, options, leveraged tokens, and volatility trading are some of the derivative digital asset trading alternatives. As part of its NFT platform, LibertyX promises to sell regulated securities and assets. LibertyX's goals. The crypto exchange's debut goal is to provide a wide range of options for investing in crypto assets in nations like El Salvador and United Arab Emirates. According to sources who are acquainted with the situation, a new cryptocurrency exchange that supports the trading of digital assets, NFTs, and conventional stocks is soon to start. According to the reports, LibertyX has just started providing OTC crypto trading. In April, a broader rollout is planned. Marketing materials received by Blockworks show CEO James Rowe of Houston-based Altcoin Capital, which has a strong crypto portfolio, leading the campaign. For Liberty, Rowe is securing a $10 million Series A investment. A $100 million token sale needs to follow for this to be a success. Several governments, including the Bahamas, El Salvador, Switzerland, and the UAE, are now reviewing the fledgling exchange for regulatory clearance. Around 40 spot trading products will be available at launch, with an additional 20 trading pairs being released each month. This is a significant number. Institutional investors will be able to use a so-called white glove, turnkey solution that will allow them to trade, store their crypto assets, and participate in derivatives and staking. Advisory services and crypto wealth management would be offered as part of the business line. DeFi and Web3 platform plugins are also in the works, as are plans for a market-making firm. Limited partners will soon be able to access private crypto funds and marketing and placement services for digital asset managers. Its wide goal is to provide a regulatory compliant and KYC compliant way to capture many alternative and crypto asset classes for both institutional and retail customers. As stated in its promotional materials, LibertyX estimates its addressable market is $31.05 trillion, including $1.9 trillion in crypto assets, with the remaining derived from conventional and alternative asset classes. The exchange is planning to get her hands into the traditional plus digital assets together, which will allow her to try to get her share from the huge market of $1.9 trillion crypto market. According to estimates from the exchange, More than $64 billion in institutional money was poured into the digital currency market last year. According to the marketing materials, venture capitalists invested roughly $30 billion in digital asset firms in 2021, up from $6.5 billion. The business also plans crypto mining services and banking on-ramp techniques. They are expected to have 14 people on board when they begin operations. They include, in addition to Ro, El Salvador Textiles CEO Elias Bahaya Siman, Chief Financial Officer Michael Miller, a former hedge fund professional who previously worked at Oaktree Capital, and Toro Managing Director Paul MOTTOLA, and the Crypto Division's Chief Technology Officer Adam Richard. With what is happening in the world of crypto, you can consider subscribing to our channel as we will be uploading more and more videos regarding the current topic, and also about more hot topics which you need to know to have a successful crypto journey, and we don't want you to miss any of them, so subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you get the right video at the right time. Host Development Strategy, 2 key initiatives. James Ro, CEO of investment firm eToro Capital, is spearheading the campaign. The startup exchange is expected to get $10 million in Series A investment, according to Ro. A $100 million fundraising round is scheduled to follow. The hybrid exchange also obtains regulatory permission from El Salvador and the United Arab Emirates. 40 sports and 20 new trading pairs will be added to LibertyX each month. Potential expansion strategies. All parts of the digital arena are now covered by LibertyX, which has been diligently planning, developing, and moving ahead. LibertyX's NFT marketplace will support licensed securities and digital assets. Market making and connection with DeFi and Web3 platforms are also on the exchange's to-do list for the future. Cryptocurrency mining services are also in the works for the firm. The newer exchange now has the plans to even start offering mining support for the blockchains behind the cryptocurrency. Other than just mining, the newer exchange is also planning to roll out the marketplace for the NFTs. Other than just crypto, the exchange will also be facilitating almost all sorts of traditional trading, like forex trading, or any assets that can be traded. Moreover, the thing that makes LibertyX different from many exchanges is its client service, which is one among the 9 of the best financial experts, and they will give you advice on your financial assets, and most importantly, if you want guidance related to managing these assets. Initially, LibertyX will be offering around 40 different crypto products to be traded over their platforms, and after that, they are planning to add more products every month, and they estimate that they will add 20 products each month. Compared to any modern exchange, the LibertyX will also be providing all essential types of trading, including futures trade. Although you will find the name of the LibertyEX similar to LibertyX, which is the largest over-the-counter crypto seller in the US, they are both different. Yes, LibertyX is also advertising itself as an over-the-counter seller, but right now it is only focused on countries where it can get regulatory licenses. For now, it is only El Salvador, and at the moment, they're trying to get regulatory permissions in the United Arab Emirates. LibertyX plans to tap the untapped crypto markets in Latin America. The team members in LibertyX had one of the most successful careers in their lives and have a decade of experience with them, and with this experience, they will now be working on the exchange. The team includes James Ro, the CEO of the exchange, and who has more than 30 years experience in his respective domain, which was raising capital and structuring deals. LibertyX's addition to the world of crypto will provide more competition to the existing exchanges, especially in El Salvador and the United Arab Emirates, where at the moment the exchange is looking for regulatory approval and will bring more options to crypto investors. From March 15 to April 1st, the exchange will be available to the investors as a beta launch, or what they call a soft launch, and they will be providing the over-the-counter trading options too in their first beta launch. And after a soft launch, With only 40 crypto products, they will be adding at least 20 products to their exchange each month and will slowly make it competitive with any other exchange for buying and selling crypto. LibertyEX website is live on the internet and gives a brief introduction to the overall project, but there is no option available for the user to sign up to tier wallets and then trade. Until now, there isn't any mobility of the exchange, but we can expect the exchange to roll out the app as of recent investment being made, and especially the follow-up investment of $100 million may include the building of the app. Until now, it is not the fully available exchange out there because they haven't been able to offer sign-up options to their visitors. But as we will see the mentioned investment being made into the startup, we can expect that we'll able to see the final exchange soon, at least in its early stages, where we can at least trade fewer currencies. But the thing to keep an eye on is whether this exchange will go for its cryptocurrencies like Binance and Crypto.com, because if the exchange performs well and it has its cryptocurrency out there, then we can expect it to be super successful, just like BNB coin of balance in the Crypto.com coin. Because if the exchange goes well, then it will be promoting its crypto on its platform, which will make a great investment opportunity for crypto traders. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like and subscribe to our channel because we will be bringing more videos related to updates so you never miss an opportunity. We will be back soon with another one, so click that notification bell below and stay tuned for our new videos. This is Altcoin Capital signing out. Until next time.